Critical Thinking Workshop, Redefining Smart Employees. In today's rapidly evolving corporate landscape, organizations must continuously adapt to remain competitive. One of the most effective ways to foster adaptability and innovation is through critical thinking. The Critical Thinking Workshop model is particularly suited for corporate training settings because it not only equips employees with the tools to think more effectively, but also redefines what it means to be a smart employee. This model encourages participants to challenge old paradigms, embrace new ways of thinking, and contribute to a culture of collective intelligence and leadership. Core ideas. 1. Foundation of critical thinking. The workshop emphasizes the importance of foundational shifts in thinking. It is designed to destroy old paradigms and build new foundations for ideas, governance, and problem-solving approaches. This foundational change is necessary for true innovation and effective critical thinking. 2. Abstract thinking as a core component. Changing participants' abstract thinking is a critical aspect of the workshop. It encourages participants to redefine their goals and objectives, pushing them to consider higher-level, abstract outcomes that go beyond traditional problem-solving. 3. Holistic approach to function. The workshop promotes a holistic approach to evaluating function. Participants are encouraged to consider a wide range of factors, including environmental, economic, and social impacts, when analyzing the function of systems or ideas. 4. Distributed perspectives and collective leadership. The workshop is designed to derive distributed perspectives by engaging participants from diverse backgrounds and personality types. This approach fosters collective leadership rather than relying on individual charisma, focusing on unlocking the collective intelligence of the group. 5. Integration of Myers-Briggs personality types. The workshop integrates the Myers-Briggs personality model to ensure that all 16 personality types are represented. This integration is used to explore different thought processes and encourage participants to stretch their thinking beyond their natural inclinations. 6. Stimulating structured thought processes. A key goal of the workshop is to stimulate structured thought processes. The workshop uses the 5 C's: conceptualizing, cognizing, comprehending, characterizing, and concluding, to guide participants through a structured way of thinking, which can be applied in both professional and personal contexts. 7. Breaking monopolistic biases. The workshop aims to break down monopolistic biases, prejudices, and dogmatism by encouraging participants to think laterally rather than linearly. This is seen as essential for fostering more open-minded and innovative approaches to problem-solving. Number 8. Rewiring the brain and neuroplasticity. The workshop is designed to rewire participants' brains, encouraging them to think in new ways. This rewiring is intended to create long-term changes in how participants approach problem-solving, making them more adaptable and innovative in both their personal and professional lives. 9. Collective leadership over individual charisma. The focus of the workshop is on unlocking collective leadership rather than relying on individual charisma or single leaders. It emphasizes the importance of each participant contributing to the leadership process. 10. Holistic conclusions for collective good. The workshop encourages participants to formulate holistic conclusions that consider not just human benefits, but also the well-being of the Earth, including resources, climate, and the broader ecosystem. 11. Critical thinking applied across personal and professional lives. The skills and thought processes developed during the workshop are designed to be applicable across all areas of life, emphasizing that personal and professional thinking are interconnected. This model redefines what it means to be a smart employee by equipping participants with the tools to think critically, work collaboratively, and lead collectively. It's a powerful approach to corporate training that aligns with the needs of modern organizations striving for innovation and sustainability.